So this is the opening reception of the EMAT Centre, and as you will see on the right we're going to have a reception area, and then with that reception area up on the wall there'll be a TV giving you all the latest information around the building. This is an innovation hub space, so as our students or our employers are waiting to use the workshops or to go into lessons, they'll be able to access the Wi-Fi to get on with some work or to have project meetings between themselves. The innovation space then flows through and you'll be able to see through into the main workshop. So this is going to be our high-end engineering workshop that's going to focus on the real modern and innovative aspects of engineering. We hope to use this both to inspire primary school children and secondary school children to think about careers in engineering and STEM. We want to use it with our employers to be building test projects that they can use in the workforce, and more importantly for our students to learn the key skills around robotics, automation and pneumatics. As you come through from the reception area through into EMAT, what we've made sure is that we've got the building flowing through. So as the students come in to get changed, we're going to have lots of changing facilities in here. It'll be the back house of reception and staff offices. Then as the students move into the building, there'll be an electronics lab, so they'll be able to think about the wiring, think about the coding and learn all the core skills around electronics. Then they move through into one of our more traditional engineering workshops. So we're really mindful that employers need the skills right now. So this workshop is going to be really focusing on the engineering skills of today. You'll see that we've got hand basins, wash areas, because we're really ensuring that students have got those real good habits and those workplace competencies for things like health and safety and their hygiene levels to make sure we've got a really safe and modern working environment. So as we come upstairs into the EMAT building, this is going to be our circulation space, and as we move forward we've got classrooms to the right. The large classrooms are designed so that if we had businesses coming in for our business breakfast, our school engagement and our community events, we'll be able to use this as a conferencing space and make use of the classrooms. We've got 4 large classrooms up here on the second floor, and as we move forward into the Cad Suite, in here what you'll see is we've got the computers will be built in, and it'll have all the design software on so that as they're looking through into the high-end engineering workshop that we talked about earlier, that workshop will do the pneumatics, robotics, automation. All the designs will happen in here and then they'll be made on a practical basis down in the workshop. So the windows looking into the workshop are a really important feature of this design suite. For me, this is a real statement of intent from Boston College and our corporation to show that we're a forward-thinking, modern college, that we care about our employers and young people. We want young people to be passionate about careers in engineering and STEM, and we want our employers to engage with us and to come and use this building to get the future workforce that they need and the skills supply.